Hello and welcome back to my channel. I have a project share for you. This is going to be a very quick video. I shared with you earlier my haul from BeeBeeCraft's BeeBeeCraft website, and I'm going to share with you in this video two of the projects that I created using two of the products that I got. Actually, using three of the products that I got. Okay, so we'll start off with these guys. So these guys are they're super handy for hanging things. I made some tassels with them. This is the tassel that I made. And then I hung it. I'm going to hang it from the thing that I attach it to with this little green clip. I love that. Then I also used, let's see if you can see right there. I used the bead caps here to top off my tassel and make it look really cool. Okay, so I used those two on this tassel. Then I went ahead and I made a whole bunch of charms using the bead cap. So I made this one. I think it looks really cool with the silver bead cap on it. And then I made this one, which I think looks really cool with the gold bead cap on it. So it's going to hang, it's going to dangle this way, and then the gold bead cap will be the bottom. Then I made this one, which is a black bead, and I put the bead cap on the top and on the bottom to just make it kind of look like a really cool bead. And then I wire wrapped a dangle on it. I have this one, which I created with the silver bead cap, and it's white and clear beads. And then it has the bead cap on it. I have another pink one that I did with the gold bead cap and, whoops, 3 little beads on there. And then lastly, I have this one, which I used one of the silver bead caps and this little bead, and I wire wrapped a little tiny bead on it. Then, just for fun, I created this charm. It has a dangle, it has a tassel on it, and then it has some of the beads I created on it, and one of the other things. I'll show you them separately though. So first here is a peach wire wrap bead with the antique gold sort of, and then here is the bright gold on a mint and white one, and then on my peach tassel I used the bronzy one on there. You can see that looks cool. Then the other thing that I put on this one is the glass bauble that I filled with little tiny gems. So this one is my favorite of the ones that I made. I used the flower top for it, and then I filled this one with those little tiny gems that are for diamond painting. I just filled it with a few different colors that I liked. And then I made some more of those because it was so much fun. I created this one, which I filled with black, and it has green and blue sparkle gems on it. And I used the round topper on that one. Then I created this one, which I filled with just glitter. This glitter right here, which is from Target. It looks like that. So I filled this one with that focus there. There we go. I just filled it completely up with it. And then this one happened to not have a charm on it and to dangle it, but that's okay because I'm going to use this one for something different. Then I did a white one. I filled this one with just white gems. And I think it turned out really cool. I like that. And then I did this one. I'm not sure what these gems are that I used, but they're super sparkly, very colorful. They were given to me in Iraq, and I don't know where they came from or what they are, but they're very pretty, and it looks really cool in this glass bauble. So those are all of the things that I created using. I used these, which were the garment pins in different colors. I used these, which were the bead caps. I used a bunch of those. And I used a bunch of my glass baubles. And I created all of these fun little charms and dangles and tassels and fun little stuff. Oops. So I hope that you enjoyed those. And again, I will post down below a coupon code if you want to go and purchase any of these. And if you want to see the product themselves up close, not used, I do have another video where I shared the haul of what I got. And I will post a link down below. Okay, and I'll see you all again soon for my next video.